NASA originally studied the light to help astronauts heal faster in space. Now people are using it at home for things like skin health, muscle recovery, and even hair growth. But what exactly is red light therapy, and does it work? By the end of this video, I'll show you how long treatments should actually last and the device I personally recommend if you want to try it yourself. So what exactly is red light therapy? Red light therapy is a treatment that uses specific wavelengths of red and near infrared light to stimulate your body at a cellular level. Instead of using heat or UV light like tanning beds, red light therapy uses safe wavelengths of light that your body can absorb. Most devices use wavelengths around 630 to 660 nanometers for red light and around 850 nanometers for near infrared light. Now these wavelengths are able to penetrate the skin and reach your cells, which is where the interesting science happens. You typically see red light therapy delivered through LED panels, masks, handheld devices, and red light therapy beds. And people use it for a variety of reasons, including improving skin appearance, reducing inflammation, muscle recovery, joint pain, and even supporting hair growth. So how does red light therapy actually work? The key is your mitochondria, which are basically the tiny power plants inside your cells. Your cells create energy in the form of something called ATP, which fuels repair, regeneration, and normal cell function. Certain wavelengths of red and near infrared light can actually stimulate mitochondria, helping cells produce energy more efficiently. In simple terms, more cellular energy can help support things like tissue repair, collagen production, reduced inflammation, and faster muscle recovery. That's why athletes, dermatologists, medical clinics have started using red light therapy more frequently. Now it's important to note that research is still ongoing, but there's a growing number of studies showing promising results. One of the most common questions people ask is, how long should you actually use red light therapy? Most at-home devices recommend sessions of about 15 to 20 minutes. Typically, people use it 3 to 5 times per week. Another important factor is the distance from the light source. Most red light therapy panels work best when you're about 6 to 12 inches away, depending on the strength of the device. Consistency matters more than long sessions. So this isn't really a one-time miracle treatment. It's something that works better with consistent use over time. Now, if you're thinking about trying red light therapy at home, the device you use actually matters a lot. Not all lights are created equal. The device I recommend is Platinum LED Biomax lights. The reason I like this brand is because it includes both key wavelengths, 660 nanometers of red light and 850 nanometers of near infrared light. The combination allows light to target both surface skin benefits and deeper tissue recovery. It also has a strong LED output, good coverage area, and built-in timers, which makes treatments really easy. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check it out. This is the red light therapy I use in my office, and I also use at home. So the brand is the Platinum LED, and this is the Biomax 900. Now these are full-length panels. You can get these in smaller panels, and you can either use them just individually by themselves, or this stand can carry up to 4 separate large panels. So the advantage of that is you get more coverage area when you're using 4 panels. In this situation, I use 2. And what I do in my office is we have patients lay down and we can apply the red light therapy to their upper body or lower body, or if they're on their stomach, we can apply it to their back or their lower legs like that. And I can shift it up or down based on what the condition is that we're treating. You'll see a lot of red light therapy panels mounted on a wall. And that's fine, and that's an easy way to use it. The only disadvantage of that is you have to kind of stand in front of the wall, or you have to sit in a chair, and it's not really relaxing. Platinum LED has a stand where it can be mounted horizontally. And why I like this is you can actually relax while you're getting the red light therapy. In my office, I just slide this over top of the treatment table, or at home, what I do is actually slide this underneath my bed, and then you can lay on the bed and get the red light and totally relax. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So in this case, I have a remote here. This can also be controlled via these little panels up here. And there's also an app that you can use to to turn on the device as well. And the different parameters, you can change the different wavelengths, you can control the amount of time that it's being run on, a lot of different custom modes. But we're gonna turn it on just a normal 15-minute time block here. So what you can see is this is the red light therapy being emitted from the panels here. Now again, there's lots of different wavelengths with the Platinum LED Biomax 900. And that's one of the advantages versus some of the other red light therapy panels on the market. But more importantly, this has the red light therapy wavelength of 660, and then it has the near infrared wavelength, which is 850. And so what that does is that helps to penetrate both on a superficial level, but also on a deeper level as well. So you get the benefits of both the red light and then the near infrared, which is going to penetrate deeper. Like I said, what I like about this, it has good panel coverage. I have them mounted side by side on the stand here, and like I was telling you before, you can actually mount 2 more panels so you can get full body coverage. But again, just even 1 panel would be sufficient for a lot of people there. But I just like 2 because you get more coverage over less time. And again, you typically want to have this about 6 to 12 inches above the skin level. And what that's going to do, it's going to give you the most penetration and the most effective treatment. If you're looking to reduce inflammation, speed up healing process, or if you're looking to improve your skin and help with collagen production, Platinum LED is one of the best on the market, and I highly recommend it. So again, if you have any questions about red light therapy or the Platinum LED panels, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. People commonly use red light therapy for the following things: improve skin appearance, reduce joint pain, muscle recovery after workouts, boosting collagen production, and even sporting hair growth. But if you have medical conditions or take medications that affect light sensitivity, it's always smart to check with your doctor first. So that explains what red light therapy is, how it works, and what conditions it can be used for. Now, if you have any questions about red light therapy, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more health and wellness tech explained simply.